Hello, just trying again. Last time the microphone didn't work. All right now. Right. Oh, well, she's not really a parrot. She's a chicken, one of my rescue chickens, and we'll carry on rescuing them. I'm going to turn it off now and see if the sounds work. If it has, this is how tame they get. Don't let them control you or think they're house chickens. Well, there she is. She's very beautiful. Hey, come on then. Say bye-bye. 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 Oh, all right then. She doesn't want to say bye-bye, but I want to see if it's made a sound. Let's see.